So just on my way into the studio, and it's actually nice out today. Wearing some jelly shoes again today. These are like my neon yellow ones that I've had for a while. And my dress. I've had this dress forever. Don't know why I don't wear it more, so I'll show you anyway in a sec. This is my outfit for today. I just have my hair worn to the side and this dress. I love the really cute collar, and it's got all this detail on it. And then I have this jacket that is from Finders Keepers, my friend's shop in Bray, and that's the look for today. I'll just show you what it looks like without the jacket first. And then I'll put on my that is today's outfit. I really like the colour combination today. It is Thursday today, just getting ready to go in. It's actually really cold out and starting to look really wintry, so I have on kind of a wintry outfit. I've got on a flannel, this liner, I think it's from Zara a while ago. These jeans are so cool. They're like vintage Tommy Hilfiger jeans. And then I have on some loafers. Also I have a beanie on. Yeah, I'm just gonna head into the studio now. So here's the outfit. So it's Friday today and I'm just gonna head into the studio. Again, it's gone really chilly, so I have more of an autumn outfit on. Yeah, I'll show you when I'm outside. But I have decided to wear my really fun trousers by Cat Rose. Yeah, I'll show you fully outside. So just on my way in now. At least it's not raining. Going to Glasgow tomorrow, so I'll bring you, and don't know what I'll wear. I'll have to pack tonight, but yeah. So the next day I was in Glasgow for the day, and I just had my Carhartt kind of heavy kind of shirt jacket with me, and then this skirt that I thrifted a while back, and a pair of Vans, and my APC bag, and it was just a kind of casual look, I suppose, for the last of the lovely weather. Yeah, but it was a nice look for a city break. Yeah, so the next day was super casual, just a flannel shirt, some cycling shorts and my Carhartt jacket, and I was getting the train, so yeah, I just wanted a comfortable look. And this was my makeup the next day. I had kind of like a yellow eyeshadow on, a little bit of glitter, and kind of like a glossy lip. And then today I had on kind of a casual outfit. I had on these leopard flares that I thrifted a while ago. I think they're from Urban Renewal, which is an Urban Outfitters brand. And then I have my Carhartt shirt jacket on, and I have my Chrome Industries bag. And this is the last day of my little getaway, so we just did some looking in the charity shops, and I got these two lovely stamps which I'm going to use for my studio. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just back and I thought I would show you some bits that I've thrifted when I was away, and also just some bits that I've thrifted over the last few days that I mightn't have shown you. So yeah, I have a full bag here. So also I thrifted these leggings. I suppose I'll start off with them. They're like flares. They're originally from Urban Outfitters. I got them in a charity shop. Yeah, I really like them. And my top is Free People. I've had it for ages. Okay, so I'll go through everything one by one anyway. Okay, so first I got this kind of argyle print jumper. It's M&S, so it's really good quality, and I love the colours in it. And it's got a V-neck, and yeah, perfect for autumn. That's the first thing I got. I got this slip dress. It's red and it's got this like velvet bow detail. I'll probably use the iron to kind of press that bow out, but I think that would be really nice styled up for winter, and maybe with like a kind of chain belt around the middle and some boots or something fun. I thrifted a chain as well when I was away, like a belt chain, so I'm excited to style this with things. There's going to be so many ways to style them, and I've seen them in the shops, but I didn't want to get one new. I knew I'd find one secondhand, so yeah, got this chain belt. I got this really cute dress, very kind of early 2000s, definitely would have worn it when I was younger, and it's one of those ones that has like a real kind of statement zip down the back. This one is by Miss Selfridge, which I'm not sure if is a brand anymore, but it's got all this lovely sequiny detail. I'll probably wear something under it and style it up, find some kind of really fun way to style it, but yeah, couldn't turn that down because I do love a sequin. Then I think I showed you me trying these on in the shop, but I cut these. They're so cute. I was looking at like Miu Miu ones online recently that look really similar, but these are just from Next, and they're little silver sparkling I don't know, ballet flat type shoes, and they're so cute. So really can't wait to style these up, and they were like $4.50. And then I got this vest. I really like the colour, and it's got a V-neck, and I think it'll be really cool styled like with t-shirts underneath and really casual. So yeah, I really like this, and this again is M&S, so really good quality if you're looking out for stuff kind of old vintage M&S, and even M&S now, I suppose. Yeah, so that's it. So I've got some really nice pieces and just thought I would show you.